Hey everyone, just want to do a quick video covering some of the basics of FTMO and starting off with the challenges. The first question to decide what currency we want to be trading in. So I'm going to take a look at what one's the best one for me, and it might be the same for you, or you can choose another one. So when starting out with the challenge, we have the options here to trade in US dollars, Euro, GBP, or the Czech Republic, Czech crown. Obviously you have the options of $10,000 up to $100,000. The most popular one seems to be people choosing $100,000, but is that the best option? So if we take the current exchange rates for the Euro and GBP, $100,000 is equivalent to 82,000 euros and $100,000 is 73,000 pounds. So in both these situations with the current exchange rates, it's better off trading in USDs because it's 3 to 4% more equity. As we know, exchange rates go up and down. So when's it going to be better to be in GBP or Euro as your base capital? So for GBP, we'd need price to be above 1.43, and the last time the British pound was trading that range was April 2018. So for the Euro, we needed to be above 1.25, and the last time the Euro was trading in that range was January 2018. So if we take a look at the chart of GBP USD, this is the region here in April where we want the price to be above. As we can see recently, we've been in quite a strong uptrend, especially once the Brexit negotiations are out of the way. So we can see from this big rise from the 1.7 all the way down to the fall in 2017, there's lots of uncertainty with Brexit. Since that's been resolved, price has been rallied. And if we look at the daily chart, that's a lot clearer to see. So again, on the daily chart, once COVID happened in March, we've been on a very good ascending, strong uptrend. So for me, the chances are GBP is going to get stronger and potentially come up to this 1.45 in the next potentially 6 months. The Euro is even more of a confusing chart. So we can see this point here of 1.25 in early 2018. Since then, the price has been in a very strong downward trend. It has recovered in this part in 2020 and where we are now. But if we look further back on the chart, it's even more interesting. So here on the monthly view, we can see that price did come back up and touch this line, but since then, so here on the monthly view, we can see, yes, price did come up and touch this point here, but that was a very, very strong level of support previously. It broke down and it's not been able to break back up through the 125 mark. So for me, the Euro looks a slightly tricky one to be as a base currency with trading with FTMO, because for it to be more advantageous, it needs to be above 125, which isn't happening at the moment. So for me, it was a logical choice to choose GBP as my currency within FTMO to trade. That way I'm not going to be affected too much by local variations. So every time I take a withdrawal, I know it's going to be in pound sterling, of which that's what I want to spend. Hopefully this video has been of some use to you, and I will create another one for you very soon.